Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever had your visa denied or you're worried it might happen, you're not alone. Visa denials are more common than you think, and they can feel frustrating, confusing, and even discouraging. But don't panic. In today's in-depth video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about visa denials and how to successfully handle appeals and reapplications. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge and tools you need to turn that no into a yes. So grab a notebook, let's dive in. Number 1. Understanding why visas get denied. Before we talk about what to do after a visa denial, it's crucial to understand why it happens in the first place. Common reasons for visa denials include 1. Incomplete or incorrect documentation. Failure to provide all required documents or submitting incorrect information. 2. Insufficient financial proof. Not showing that you can financially support yourself in the destination country. 3. Lack of ties to home country. If the visa officer believes you don't have strong enough reasons to return home. 4. Criminal record or past immigration violations. Previous overstays, deportations, or criminal convictions can trigger an automatic denial. 5. Unclear purpose of visit. If your application doesn't clearly demonstrate your purpose, whether it's tourism, work, study, or family visit. 6. Weak interview performance. Inconsistent answers, nervousness, or language barriers can raise red flags during the visa interview. Understanding the reason is the first step toward fixing the issue and planning your appeal or reapplication properly. Number 2. How to find out why you were denied. So, you received a visa denial. What next? Every country issues a refusal notice that outlines the reason for denial. Some are general, like Section 214B for U.S. visas, while others may specify missing documents or other details. Steps to take: read the refusal notice carefully. Note the exact code or clause mentioned. Request further clarification if needed. Some countries allow you to request the officer's notes via a Freedom of Information request. Remember, you can't fix a problem you don't fully understand. Number 3. Visa appeal versus reapplication. What's the difference? Once you know why your visa was denied, you have two main options. Option 1. Appeal the decision. This involves formally asking the embassy or immigration department to reconsider your case. Best for visa categories with legal rights to appeal, for example, family reunification or long-term visas. Situations where the decision was made in error or misunderstood facts. Timeline: appeals can take weeks or months, depending on the country. Option 2. Reapply. You can submit a brand new visa application, often with corrected or updated documents. Best for tourist or student visas, when your original application lacked strong evidence. If significant changes have occurred, for example, new job, better finances. Tip: do not reapply with the same information. That's a fast track to another denial. Number 4. Steps to take after a visa denial. Let's break this down into a clear action plan. Step 1. Identify the reason. Use the refusal letter and your memory of the interview to pinpoint the issue. Step 2. Consult a visa expert or immigration lawyer. If your case is complex, don't guess. Get professional help. Many lawyers offer a free or low-cost consultation. Step 3. Gather stronger evidence. More detailed financial statements, employment letters with updated salary information, proof of property or family ties, a clearer itinerary or letter of invitation. Step 4. Write a strong cover letter or appeal letter. Explain what went wrong the first time, how you've resolved or clarified the issue, why you meet the visa requirements now. Step 5. Be honest but confident in your tone. Whether you're reapplying or appealing, do not fake documents, exaggerate income, or give false information. Embassies use global databases and can detect inconsistencies easily. Number 5. How to write an effective appeal letter. Here is a simple structure for writing a compelling visa appeal letter. 1. Introduction. Full name, passport number, date of visa application. 2. Reference to denial. Quote the denial reason and express your intention to appeal. 3. Clarification. Explain the misunderstanding or mistake. Provide supporting documents to back your claims. 4. Assurance. Show strong ties to your home country. Mention travel history, job, family, education. 5. Closing statement. Politely request reconsideration and thank the officer. Number 6. Country-specific appeal practices. Not all embassies treat visa appeals the same way. Let's explore a few major examples. United States. Most non-immigrant visa denials are under Section 214B, which has no formal appeal process. Your best bet is to reapply with stronger evidence or a different approach. Canada. You can appeal or request a reconsideration. Use the CMS notes to understand the refusal better. United Kingdom. Certain visa categories, for example, family or human rights visas, allow formal appeals. Others, like visitor visas, do not. You must reapply. Australia. You can appeal to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal AAT for many visa types. Appeals must be submitted within a strict time frame, usually 21 to 28 days. Number 7. Preparing for reapplication. If you decide to reapply instead of appealing, make sure you wait a reasonable period 1 to 3 months unless urgent travel applies. Prepare a fresh application with revised documents. Address every weakness from your prior application. Be consistent across forms, statements, and interviews. Practice for the interview. Confidence plus clarity equals trust. Number 8. How to avoid visa denials in the future. Prevention is better than cure. To avoid future denials, here is what you can do. Start early, don't rush the application. Triple check documents accuracy is key. Stay truthful, no fake bank statements or fabricated histories. Be realistic, don't apply for a visa you clearly don't qualify for yet. Get feedback, have someone review your application before submission. Prepare for the interview, practice answering confidently and clearly. Number 9. Real-life stories and lessons. Let me share a few real-life examples of people who turned their visa denials into success stories. Case 1. A student in Nigeria. Denied a UK student visa for insufficient funds. Added a parent's bank sponsorship letter and proof of ongoing salary. Reapplied and was approved in 6 weeks. Case 2. Family reunification in Canada. Denied due to unclear family ties. Hired a consultant, submitted DNA test results and official family records. Appeal was granted after 3 months. Case 3. Business traveler to the USA. Denied twice under 214B. Changed the approach focused on strong home ties, job responsibilities, and better financial proof. Approved on 3rd attempt. Number 10. Final takeaways and encouragement. To wrap up, here is what I want you to remember. Visa denials are not the end of the road. Understanding the reason is the first step. You can appeal or reapply, but you must be strategic. Always provide truthful, clear, and well-documented information. If you're unsure, seek professional help, it's worth it. The journey to traveling, studying, or relocating abroad can be long, but don't give up. Each no is just a learning opportunity on your way to a yes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who might need it. Subscribe for more guides on visas, travel, and immigration. See you in the next video.